What's up, guys? EMOBMXer here, and today this is my KWC m1911 A1, and I'm going to disassemble this for you. First, let's start by, hold on, let me adjust my camera just a little bit. There we go. And my camera is going to be adjusted a lot. Let's start by sliding this back to this second thing right here and pushing the pin on the other side. Pulling the takedown lever out, sliding this off like this. We're going to put our lower receiver to the side. Now I'm going to move my camera down. What we're going to do is we are going to take this off like this, pull this out, and then right here we're going to turn this that way, pull it out like this, and push our barrel assembly out. Put that away. Take this off. Now this is this does not screw off. To actually interchange your barrel, this is the other side of the hop-up wheel. You have to pop that pin out to physically take this out. I don't have to because I have a precision barrel in there. So I'm not going to take this apart because there's no need unless you need to change your barrel, and all you do is you get something tiny like this. It's my bent, fucked up, jacked up, grinded down screwdriver. It's really for ripping window seals out, but you know what, I don't care. You get something like that, and you lay it like this, and you pop the pin out. Lay that right there. So the way I suggest doing things is leave your entire front assembly in one section. Now we're gonna take this apart. So I'm gonna flip you back up like this. For this, you're gonna need Allen wrenches, and yeah, just Allen wrenches. Let me open this up here. Got a shit ton of Allen wrenches. Yep. Alright. Let's see what this is. Holy shit, guys. Sorry. This is a 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. 2.5 millimeter. There's an Allen key right there on the back that you're going to have to undo. So let me go ahead and do this. And it will be tight. That's what she said the first time. Alright, there's your screw. Now, your blowback assembly will just pop out. You would want to be careful with this spring and stuff right here. You want to make sure those stay pressed in, because that's gonna keep a big roll. And inside there you can see two Phillips head screwdrivers. That's how you take the rear sight off. The front sight, I don't know if you can see it, you have to literally heat that up and pop those two pins out to take the front sight out. Ton of fucking Allen wrenches, guys! Yay! Allen wrench live. So this entire assembly will pop out. You have your spring. If I could get it up off the table. This side right here with the multi coil wrap goes to the front, and this side with the less coil wrap goes to the rear of the internal assembly. As you can see, mine says just constantly majorly lubed. It doesn't go without lubing. Hot, that's what she said. It has lube on it 24/7, no matter what. I'll lube it even if I don't go play with it. To disassemble that, you have to take that Phillips head out, and that's how you change the piston in here. I don't actually think you need to change that piston, guys. I think it kicks pretty damn hard from the factory. So, in here, you have this. You have to be careful with this because it will break occasionally. I've already replaced it, but that's just because the day I got this pistol, I abused the shit out of it. And putting it back in does require some skill, so you know what? Just get my handy dandy long ass pliers, and we'll do this. Yep. Or you can just do that, whichever. Make sure that's pressed to the front like that. So we're gonna put this assembly back together. And there we go. Here comes the tricky fun part. Guys, you know, you do have to pay attention to where you put stuff and how everything goes back in. Otherwise, you're gonna just screw up. So, sorry I'm not giving you the best camera angle in the world. That might help. It does take some patience, I won't lie. It takes quite a bit of patience. So, I'm gonna stop the video and replay it once I get it in. Okay guys, I've never dealt with one of these, so I had to look it up. You actually have to press this in the groove that's right here on the piston head and slide it in with it. If that makes any sense to y'all. And there we go. It's in. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our slide. We're gonna put some silicone oil in there. You're gonna want to put silicone oil in there. I don't have any right now, so I can't. You want to put silicone oil in there. Then you want to simply this is the tricky part right here. You have to depress the spring to get it to go in the slide. So you have to put this in at like an angle, kind of, sort of. Damn it. And you want to be careful and not bend your spring. Kind of about to be quick about. You know what? Just take your Allen wrench here. I've got plenty of them, so you know, not a big deal. And push it back and push it in at the same time, and make sure it is nice and snug in there. You can actually see the spring nice and snug. Give that a little press up, make sure it stays. Then we want to take our screw and we want to screw this back in. Give it a second. It'll go. It'll go. It's gonna go. I do suggest wearing gloves when doing this because it makes gripping tools and everything else a lot easier. Nope. See what I mean, yo? Now you do want to tighten this back down pretty decent tight. Give that a couple depressing and make sure it goes back. And then you can reassemble your entire top slide or your top receiver, so which I will do. So I'm going to take this. Oh yeah. No, I'm just kidding. And I'm going to slide this back in here, like so. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my handy dandy front. Put my handy dandy front on. Turn it. I'm going to take this guy right here. This side down. I'm going to place it in there. Take this right here. Come on. While depressing this spring in, put him back on his little guide there, and there we go. That is completely assembled. Now, let's move on to our lower. This is our lower. Everything works just fine. You don't have to disassemble this. Down in there, you can see that trigger moving right there. You're going to want to spray some silicone oil down in there. You're going to want to spray some silicone oil down in the magwell, which I'll actually show you where to spray. Take this apart, get this out. You want to take your grips off. You'll need a flathead to do this. And this isn't like the M9, guys, so don't worry about parts flying out. Let me give you this view now. Take that out. Take that out. Alright. Everything you're gonna want to lube on the inside is up in here. So the beaver tail, you're going to want to lube that. You're going to want to lube this right here. And you're going to want to lube these grooves with silicone oil. You're also going to want to lube right here. All up here. And right here. And then what you're going to do, pull your hammer back. Spray some silicone oil down in there. Pew pew, motherfuckers. Pew pew, pew pew, pew pew, pew. I'm just a big little kid. All good. Call me a nerd in the comments if you want. Call me a fucking retard if you want. I don't care. It doesn't faze me. It's just words, guys. Just words. Come on, fucknut. Ta-da! So you want to put your screws back in. Screw it, screw it, screw it. Come on. Come on. Come on, bruh. Lazy factor. And, ooh, what's going on here? Oh, sweet. New problems. So, you want to take the tiniest leverage you got and shove it in this hole right here. And tighten screws up. No, you really just don't need that. Oh, I'm just fucking with you. So, after you silicone everything, you're going to want to lube your slides, or your slide rails. You're going to want to lube this down in here and lube this over here. And everything down in there, just put lube in there. Just fucking fill it up with lube. Go get some KY jelly and just like put it in there, and then take your slide and just go like this. And go. Oh, there we go. No, I'm just kidding. I'm a fucking retard. It's okay. We all know this. Come on, Mount. So this is how you disassemble and lube everything in your gun. To reassemble, you just take your guide rails here, put it on there. Oh, look! Look what decided to pop out. And so did this. So guys, be careful for the beaver tail safety popping out, because you do have that. You have your depress lever. So while I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that. But thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and rate my video. Like for further suggestions and everything else. Comment for further suggestions. I'm such a fucking retard and tired. Thanks guys. Have a great night or day, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching. Bye, fucktar.